All right, time for some Thursday birthdays. And as we begin our list today, we start in Carthage with Clinton Sexton turning 5 years old today. And this comes with love from Mom, Dad, and Carolyn. Happy 5th birthday, Clinton.
All right, and Mila Owenby celebrating birthday number 8 this year. Sitting in a bucket of balls there. Happy birthday up in Fort Scott from Mom, Dad, Jace, Leon, Allie, and baby Mila.
And we've got Brett Boone turning 15 years old today. Brett, happy birthday, and this comes with love from Grandma Shirley, Dad, and Auntie April.
Jack Harity celebrating birthday number 15 today. That's really cool. A Jurassic Park Jeep there, classic. Jake is celebrating birthday number 15 again, Altamont.
And we've got Garrett Hansen over in Pittsburgh turning 18 today. Garrett, a very happy birthday, and this comes with love from Mom, Dad, Granny, and both grandpas.
I like the picture there. That's pretty cool. And Stoney Kyler celebrating birthday number 57 this year in Dunham with love from your wife and buds.
I get it. I absolutely get it. Carolyn Barnett turning 74 in Humboldt today. Carolyn, a very happy birthday to you.
And Georgetta Souser celebrating birthday number 75 this year. Georgetta is in Chanute.
We've also got June Dunham turning 80 years young over in Parsons. June, an absolutely adorable little pup there with you. Very happy birthday to you.
All right, and David Eddington celebrating another year wiser. David is in Columbus.
And we've got Amy O'Brien celebrating a birthday today over in Frontenac. Happy birthday, Amy.
Great picture there of you, Amy. And our birthday list goes on. We've got Howard Bailey turning the big 9-0 this year. Howard is in Chanute. And John Kemp is celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh.
And we've also got a couple of anniversaries to celebrate. Jason and Amanda Beard celebrating their 21st anniversary in Columbus. Happy anniversary to you. We also have Daryl and Shirley Thompson celebrating their 49th wedding anniversary in Crestline. Happy anniversary and happy birthday to all of you today.
Happy anniversary, especially to the Thompsons there, Daryl and Shirley. They were my parents away from home when I first moved here. All right, and you can send your birthdays or anniversaries to us, quite simply, through our email at birthdays@koamtv.com or birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And while you're at our website, why don't you take a chance? Goodness. Why don't you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club? You get excellent deals from local sponsors. All you have to do is go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM News Now Birthday Club. All right.